you to put a rush up on it like August. Get a ticket for me, I got it, that's ballin'. Flexing on my ways, but you still stalling.
Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. It's yours truly, and you already know the name, Asia. And today I'm back with another video, okay? This video is going to be a hair review. As you can see, I have this really cute bob in my hair. This is a wig, so it's a frontal wig. It's really cute. Like, I don't know, I think it's cute. It's different for me because I'm used to short hair, but like it's usually a little longer than this, so this is different for me. But how do you guys like it? Is it cute? This ring light is really bright in my face, so I can barely see my viewfinder, and I don't know how I'm looking right now. But for y'all that don't know, Amazon does have hair, and Amazon's hair is bomb. So this exact company is Beauty Forever. The hair came in this box, so it just looks like that. And then it gives you like the right way to measure wigs, and then frequently asked questions, so like how to wash your wig and how to maintain it. So it's just this box. It's really cute. Opens up like this, and inside of it, this was inside of the wig. So like when the wig came, this was inside the head part of it. This was around it, which is a net. They sent a pair of eyelashes, just like those, and also a weaving wig cap. This is a hair net. It's not like a wig cap like a mesh one. So yeah, this was just all of it inside this box. And I really like this packaging. It's because like it's perfect size for the wig, like really perfect sizing. And I don't know, I just think it's really cute for a hair company, especially coming from Amazon. Like, I don't know, I feel like I would just expect it to come in like just a little Amazon bag or something, you know. But this is the Beauty Forever hair from Amazon. The wig was originally 10 inches. So as you guys know, you're probably looking like, that's not 10 inches. Definitely not 10 inches, because I personally cut it. When I first got the wig and I put it on my my canvas blockhead, the hair was kind of uneven. So like it was longer, but it kind of came like a line, I guess you would say. Like, you know how an A-line looks. So like an A-line bob starts short, and then it goes longer. So me personally, I don't know, I just wasn't really feeling how it was looking, so I just cut it all around even. So I just cut it all the way around to be just one length. I tried the best I could to do it, because obviously when you're doing it on a different head, and then once you put it on your head, it kind of comes out different. But I got it the closest I could to being even all the way around. This is a frontal. I made it into a glueless frontal wig, so I added a elastic band to it, and then I'm able to just apply it on with no glue and stuff like that. So I can just pop it on, pop it off whenever I want to. And all I did was just gel down my edges with some Style Factor edge booster. If you guys haven't checked out my live video, check it out. And this is the, I don't know if you guys can see, it's really hard to see it, but this is the Stronghold pomade in Cool Shine. I will link their company page, website, whatever you want to call it, in the description box below. You can also order your edge booster from Amazon. So it's like a twofer, okay? Because this wig came from Amazon. Edge control also can come from Amazon. This is the frontal. I just parted it in the middle part because I'm so used to middle parts. I tried like the side and I thought it was really cute, but when I was constructing this wig and like customizing it and stuff, I just did middle, and then I used the hot comb and flattened it. So it's kind of like stuck in the middle part right now until I wash it and I'm able to, you know, restyle it the way I want to. But I think I do like it as a middle part. I really love this wig. Like, it's really bouncy still, you know. I don't want to do too much because this jacket is already messing up this hair as it is. I'm just gonna have to keep combing it out. But yes, so just a little more details about the hair. I'm going to actually go to the website, and not to the website, but to Amazon, to show you guys exactly how it is. So It's called Beauty Forever Human Hair Bob Lace Frontal Wig. 130% density, Brazilian virgin hair straight, pre-plucked. It was pre-plucked, so I barely had to do anything. And the lace is a natural color. This is 10-inch. They have up to 28 inches. So the shortest is 8 inches. The longest is 28 inches. It's not even this exact length. I probably could have got an 8-inch and then still cut it this length and I would have been fine. But I got 10 inches and just to try it to see how it would look. And I just liked it this length. So if you want to get something that's closer to this, like I would go with 8 inches and then you'll only have to cut off a little bit of hair just to get it, you know, even across. It already comes a bob, but just to straighten it out, you know, I don't know if you like A-line bobs or if you guys like, you know, straight across. So that's just a preference for you guys. But yeah, I've had it for a few months now. I haven't experienced any shedding and I think that's good. But at the same time, this hair is really short, so it's not much that can shed in my opinion. I don't know, I feel like it's harder for short hair to, you know, have any shedding because of its length. Like you don't have to really do too much. You don't have to be, it's not going to really get tangled. You can't snag it. So I don't know. If you're really into short hair and you're into wigs, you know, I would give this a try. I would never doubt Amazon for anything because I personally have just started shopping on Amazon, just getting like little things, my ring lights, my tripods, and Amazon has a lot of stuff. Like AliExpress was really, they're really big on, you know, hair and stuff. If you see a lot of reviews on YouTube, you always see AliExpress at the end of it. But now Amazon is stepping up, and yeah, I've actually ordered hair from Beauty Forever off of AliExpress and they have really good hair. Like I don't know if the vendors are any different between Amazon and AliExpress, but they have the same logo, so I think that it is really good. So this is just an up close on the hair. I did not bleach the knots, so they're just normal color. I have a mesh wig cap under this that is my complexion, so that's why the part just looks like my scalp, I guess, if you want to say. These little baby hairs, and this is that. So I really like this hair. It doesn't look like it has any split ends. Like I barely cut anything off of it, so I mean, if there was, I barely cut any split ends. But yeah, it's really cute. If you guys are interested in it, I will keep the link in the description box below. I'll do all the details on this exact hair, what it is, lengths, density, all that stuff. That would just be in the description box. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. I hope that you like it. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And turn on your post notifications so that you never miss another video. I love you guys. I appreciate you. And once I reach 5,000 subscribers, I do want to do a giveaway. I'm not sure exactly what yet, but I want to try to think about what I could do. Because yeah, 5,000 subscribers, that's a lot for somebody who's still like kind of new to doing YouTube and stuff, you know. And y'all have really helped me gain all these subscribers hecka fast. So I want to be able to do something for you guys. Or one lucky winner. I don't know if it could be one or just maybe a few, but I do want to try to do something for y'all. Just stay tuned and I'll probably explain more of that into my next video. So yeah, thank you again for watching and I will see you guys in my next video.